Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before. Then you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to jump a vehicle. On the red means positive and the black one means negative. So on the battery terminal, you put the red on the positive side and the black one on the negative side, and you do the same for the vehicle that you're trying to jump. You put the red on the positive side and the black one on the negative side. Guys, it's very easy and simple. Now, to give the other vehicle a boost, the vehicle that's turned on, make sure you step on the gas to give it more power. The RPM you should just increase your RPM a little bit. Just step on the gas for like for about probably a minute or two, so it could give the other battery a boost. And try to start the vehicle, guys. And if it don't start, make sure that the terminals is connected properly, guys. Yes, make sure the cable is connected properly, and start the vehicle. And if it don't start, that means the battery is completely dead. So you just leave it there about a couple minutes, 1 to 5 minutes if it's real bad. And if it don't start at all, that means the battery just need to replace. But this is basically how you jump start a vehicle, guys. Just make sure the cables is connected properly. The red on positive, the black is negative on the battery terminal. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, comment. Peace out.